Hi, I'm Jamie Castro, an Emmy-nominated casting director in Los Angeles, and I'm sharing tips and tricks for your self-tape auditions. Let's talk about stage directions. When are they important and when should you just ignore them? A lot of the time, actors feel that they have to do everything as it's written in the scene, when in fact, casting sometimes doesn't even read the stage directions. I know in drama school you're taught that you have to do everything as it's written, but the audition is a whole different beast. We're not looking for the stage directions, we're looking for you and what you bring to the role. You are the most important part of your audition and not everything else that's going on in the scene. Remember, everyone who's watching your audition, casting, the director, producers, knows exactly what's supposed to happen in the scene, so you don't have to spell it out for them. You just have to act. For co-star auditions, these stage directions can really get in the way of your performance because your scenes are so short that they can take over the audition. Let's say you're a waiter and you're folding napkins, and you do this throughout the whole conversation because that's what it says to do. Now your focus is down for a lot of the scene because you're folding the napkins and you're distracted by that, and we're missing your connection to the reader. Here are your options. A little business in your co-star auditions can go a long way, so maybe you're just folding the napkins at the top and then stop and you have the conversation. Or just leave it out. We're not on the other side with a scorecard going, oh, didn't fold the napkins. We don't do that. What we're looking for is the truth. And do we believe you? So don't distract from that. Think of the stage directions as a guideline and not the end-all be-all. But what if there's a fight in the middle of it, or a hug, or a kiss? With any altercation, you can give us a little something, but we don't need to see a whole staged fight. That's the stunt coordinator's job. With a kiss or an embrace, just show us the feeling that it gives you, and not the actual air kiss, which does look awkward. The most memorable auditions are when people make it their own. Follow your intuition, follow that intuitive movement, because you don't want to do what everyone else is doing, right? I promise you'll stick out more if you just leave the stage directions behind and go with your gut. If you ever want a private coaching session, I am available. Check out my website, which is castrocasting.com, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.